Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to sync your settings in Windows 10. With its synced settings option, Windows 10 allows owners of multiple devices to keep their system preferences in harmony. To enable the device sync, we've got step-by-step instructions for you. Let's dive in. Click the Start button. Click the settings icon in it. Here, click Accounts. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click Sign in with a Microsoft account and enter your account information. Click Sync your settings. Turn on the switch next to Sync Settings. Apply these steps on your other Windows 10 machines. Disable any individual settings if you want certain things to not sync, such as accessibility, personalization, language preferences, and other Windows settings. If you turn on other Windows settings, Windows will also sync some device-specific settings, such as printers and mouse options, File Explorer settings, and notification preferences. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.